Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it again. This is for my trappers and those who do business anonymously, I guess. I picked this up. I don't know why, but I just did. I thought it was actually cool, but I'm gonna sell it. It's nothing I'm gonna do with this. I am not a trapper. I no longer live lifestyles that would require me to have burner phones. But this is the Supreme burner phone. As you can see, it also has a few features: 3G high-speed data, 2.4 display, VGA camera, up to 32 gig micro SD, Bluetooth, and a flashlight on this phone. So let's open it and check it out. Let's see what we got. Like I said, I'm selling it, so anybody interested, hit me up. I don't want it. I wanted to do a review on it because I thought it would be pretty cool, but I'm not keeping this phone, man. Oh, okay, that's cool. It actually comes with SIMs in it. It has a micro SIM adapter, a nano SIM adapter, and then another nano SIM adapter, and then a micro SD card. So you can see that. All right, they packed this thing up, and it's with Blue Mobile, I guess. You know what I'm saying? For the trappers, you go to battery. They put the battery in a separate bag by itself. What else is in here? That's a sticker. I'm not gonna open this, but this is the charger. It's not a USB. No, it's not a USB. It's a normal adapter charger, but it's not a USB. Old school. You know what I'm saying? And here is the phone. It's dope. I can't front. It is dope. Like, honestly, if there wasn't any like apps and all that shit like we have now, I probably would have kept this phone and used it. But, you know, I gotta have my apps, man. I'm sorry. I'm spoiled. But this is an overall dope phone. It has the Supreme branding, and it also has it here on the front, and it has the blue at the top. It have some of the features. Still has the film on it. I'm not taking that off. It also has the camera. This is dope though. I can't front. Supreme was pretty dope with this one. I am gonna turn it on though. Let's see what happens when I turn it on. It's the power button, ain't it? Yeah. Oh, the battery ain't in it. Duh. But no, I'm not gonna put the battery in it. I'm not gonna turn it on because I'll sell it. And then if somebody watching the video, they're like, "Man, you opened it and you put batteries in it." You know, I don't want to do all that. So I'm gonna leave it like it is. But it does. I'm pretty sure it does function. This is overall dope phone, trap phone. Or maybe I should put the battery in it to see if it works. Cause I don't want nobody saying it don't work. It does work. So let's check this out, guys. Let's try this out. This phone actually was, how much was this phone? $70, I think. I paid $70 for it on Supreme's app. I use the app instead of the website. Okay, so let's see where this goes. This would go here and fit into there. Let's just turn it on while the battery's in it. Yep, as you can see here, it says Supreme when you start it up. This is dope. Yeah, that it has insert SIM 1, insert SIM 2. So take two. You can use two SIMs. It has Supreme, has the menu, contacts, it has the Supreme branding on the front of it. This is dope. This is dope. I can't front. This is a pretty dope idea. Supreme trap phone. You can hear that. I turned it off. So yeah, it works, functions. That's dope. Shout out to Supreme for that one. That was clever. They had that Supreme Letterman on online. It didn't sell out. I thought it was gonna sell out. It didn't, and I'm really contemplating on getting it, but I know I don't need it. My wife told me if she catch me bringing another jacket, she gonna throw it away. Cause I be bringing in jackets. I got a bunch of jackets. Actually, I got one coming in this week. So that's pretty much that, man. If you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, thumb, subscribe to the channel. Check out the website, thesneakertribune.com. We got everything. The website name is going to actually change at the beginning of the year. I won't tell you the name now, but it will be changing because it's going to be a little more something, a little more universal with that. With everything else that I'm doing right now, aside from just sneakers. So you also want to check that out. And until the next video, you guys be cool.